Hello, my dear friends. Are you ready for a new mystery box? It's very colorful this time. I love this design. I guess it's something special. Redmi Note 10. Hi Tech4All. This time we're challenging you to make Redmi Note 10 Pro your new partner for outdoor sports. Do you accept the challenge? Do I accept the challenge? Well, Redmi Note 10 Pro combined with sports? Why not? Let's go! Since we're about to do some sports, gonna pick some help from the mighty Mi Watch and Mi Band and get this thing rolling, making sure I have the needed apps installed. There we go, opening and reading the data from these apps works like charm, just as installing any other app on the smartphone. We can call it a premium mid-ranger because look at this fabulous spec sheet: 108 megapixel camera, octa-core Snapdragon processor, large 5020 mAh battery, 33 watt fast charging, a dual speaker system, NFC, infrared blaster, even this awesome micro SD slot for extra storage. So not only I can count on it for awesome performance and accompanying me during sports events, but I can have truly enjoyable experience during my training sessions and capture the most valuable moments using the Redmi Note 10 Pro's high-quality 108 megapixel camera. Let me show you. Here's an outdoor walking activity I started. Due to the weather, it was much tougher than usual. A lot of snow, sleighs, a lot of fun, really plenty of steps, as you can see. I promise you, this was quite tough given the low temperatures and the amount of snow. But was a perfect chance to stress the phone outdoors, perfect performance in low light temperatures, and also quite nice videos and photos I managed to shoot, and we came back home safe and sound, of course. While using the phone in the past few weeks, I've discovered that not only it performs so well, in fact, it's so good that even the high-demanding games run really smoothly, and also the phone is very battery-savvy. With my kind of usage, it usually gave me battery endurance of close to 2 days, even 2 days and a half, with screen-on time of approximately 5 to 6 hours, which compared to most other phones is overwhelming achievement. Speaking of the display, it's one of the few Redmi phones with AMOLED screen. Not only it looks great, it's a 120Hz panel, which I know will be praised by all of you, my dear gamer friends. But since we have a challenge, remember that? Let's go further and explore more. 2 weeks later, and the weather was warm again, good enough for some bike adventures. This time I had the chance to test the wide-angle camera besides my new bike. There's electronic image stabilization in 1080p mode, and that's how videos may look like. And of course, some more training results, as captured by the smartwatch. You can see the elevation gained, my pace, my heart rate, and the duration of this part of the training. Well, when mud and dust are possibly involved, I'd recommend using the case protector. True, there's Gorilla Glass on top, and the build quality is fantastic, but getting extra layer of protection will save you from cracks in case you accidentally drop the phone on the ground, which I did, but luckily with the case on. In order to track sports, you may also use just the phone and the inbuilt GPS, track steps, pace, altitude. Possibilities are countless. Once your training is over, and if the battery is about to get empty, connect the phone to the 33 watt charger provided as part of the package, and make sure to enjoy all of that again. So, what do you think? Because all I see is a truly awesome smartphone for its price, with some of the best 2021 features and this amazing 108 megapixel camera, which inspires me to take a lot more photos than usual. I think the verdict is easy. The Redmi Note 10 Pro is a perfect sports companion, and in my opinion, one of the best 2021 premium mid-rangers. Let me know what you, my dear friends, think about it. Comment below and let's talk about smartphones. I'm Michael from Tech4All. Just completed the Xiaomi Mystery Box challenge, and I'm wishing you a fantastic day. Bye!